Shalom family, welcome to another episode of Our Israel Lives. Guys, I am so excited about this drink series. One of my favorite juices we're going to do today, and actually some of my favorite juices to make is when you only use God's purest ingredients and nothing else. No added agave or anything like that, just pure natural. So this is one of my favorite juices. It's one thing that I was missing and one thing that I added. But I would like to say that organic is always best. However, if you're unable to buy organic like us, we can't always afford organic. I always soak my fruits and vegetables in a big bowl with vinegar and a Celtic sea salt solution, and I let it sit for a while and until it's pretty clean. I take the labels off of them, and then they're ready for use. So this is my beet apple juice that I'm making. So you use a small to medium sized beet, and these are going to be chopped up small because they're coarse. And of course, my favorite ginger. I like a little spice in my juice. And of course, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, so I use 2 of these. And here's a lime. I use 1 lime, and I usually use 1 lemon, but I'm out of lemon, so I might do 1 more lime. And then guys, cucumbers are amazing. They will help you yield more juice. They have a high water content like watermelon. They're actually in the watermelon family, or the watermelon family is in the cucumber family because this came first. But anyway, yes. So what I added to my juice that I usually don't use are, I'm gonna try these pears. These are Asian pears. I got them the other day. They're about to go bad. So I'm like, let me just throw some pear in there and see how it tastes. So guys, this will be an ingredient we'll be trying at the same time. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go chop everything up and then come back in just a minute, and I'm gonna show you how to juice in the famous, reliable Nama juicer. Okay guys, so I'm finishing up cutting some of my limes. I went ahead on and put an extra lime in there since I was missing my lemon. So everything's pretty much cut up except for the lime. So you don't have to cut them up very small. Okay. Limes are very alkalizing. They will alkaline your body, so it's always a good thing to put in your juice. Okay guys, so real quick, these are all of the fruit that I cut up. The pears and the apples, they have little seeds. It's okay to juice with the little seeds, but if you have big seeds, of course you have to remove them. Okay, so now we just lift up our lid, and it'll tell you how high you can put your fruit. So just fill it, and then after you get it filled, the rest you just feed in as it dwindles down. Okay, so we're pretty much at our limit. We close this and we turn it on. Set it and forget it, right? Now, as it's juicing on the other side, you have the peels coming out on this side. So say if you're juicing carrot juice, then you can use the carrot peels or whatever. I'll show you when I'm done. Whatever you're juicing, you can use the peels for baking, or you can use it for composting, whatever you want, okay? Now, while while you're juicing, I'm sorry, I need to dry my hands. While you're juicing, I always keep an eye on this. Whenever you're at 16 ounces, I release the juice, okay? Because you don't want it to overfill. So I'm at right under 16 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead on and release some of that beautiful juice. And then I'm gonna start filling because my hopper is getting low. So I believe I'm gonna get a minimum of 32 ounces of fresh juice. And I keep watching. I don't want it to go overfill. So I'm watching to make certain that the encatchment doesn't go over 16 ounces. I don't know what it'll do if it overfills. I've never tried it. It's just something I do. So we're actually going to get a little more than 32 ounces. So, and that's one thing about the cucumber. It will help you yield a lot more juice. So a lot of times, like if I want orange juice and the oranges aren't yielding a lot of juice, you just throw a little cucumber juice in there, or maybe a little cucumber in there, and it'll give you a higher yield. And
Okay, family, if you're interested in using the very same Nama juicer that I'm using, please check for the link in the description box to purchase.
okay, guys, we're getting quite a bit of juice here. It's still going. And then you have this, if you get fruit that's stuck, you just kind of push this down and it'll help everything goes through. Now this is a emasculating cold press juicer, so it's designed to get the highest yield of juice, and it doesn't heat your juice, so you still get all of the healthy benefits of the enzymes not being overheated. So this is my fourth juicer. I've had a Brovel juicer, I've had the Jacqueline juicer, I forget the other one I had, and it was emasculating, but it was small. And then this is my fourth one, and it's my favorite by far. Okay. So I think we done yielded pretty much as much juice. While it runs a little more, I'm going to show you, because there's nothing else coming out on this side, which makes me know that everything has come through. This is what you have on the coming out on the other side. You can use it for baking, composting, whatever you want. So guys, the juicing is done. Let's turn it off. Tip it a little bit. And then you have your juice, guys. Fresh juice. Doesn't it look delicious? Now, the first time I tried beet juice, I didn't like it because it was straight beet juice. And I don't like the flavor of straight beet juice. But when you mix it with apples, sometimes if I have extra carrots or something, I'll throw some carrots in there, sometimes celery, just play with it. But this is our beet juice, guys, and I'm just going to taste a little bit. I know it's good. Oh, the pear. Let's see how it's with the pear added. It's so good. I don't taste the pear. I don't taste the pear. It's like the pear disappeared, but it's delicious like always. It tastes just like it does always. One of my favorite juices by far, guys. If you try this, please let us know, or let me know how it turns out in the comment section. If you haven't already, please like and share and subscribe. This is how we continue to bring you wonderful videos. Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Shalom.